Hi, this is Yvette from my World of Metaphysics, and today we're going to speak about how to visualize the correct way and succeed. Yes, how to visualize the correct way and succeed. Listen, I get so many people that write me talking about visualization, affirmations, they wanting to know the correct way of doing things so that they can create the life that they desire. So I thought it was a great time to do another video on visualization to help everyone with their manifestations. So now listen, if you're new to this channel, this is the Law of Attraction Metaphysical channel that brings you information that you can easily learn and put it into action. So now, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. And listen, don't forget to tap that bell. So now, let's get to it. I'm back. Now, the first thing I would like to tell you about visualization and how to do it the correct way is know exactly what it is that you want, okay? It doesn't matter what you're trying to visualize. If you are half-hearted and you really don't know what you want and it changes every minute, listen, you're not going to get anywhere. You'll be like a person driving a car with no destination, okay? So now, how do you create that visualization and how do you do it correctly? The first thing I would say, again, is know what you want. The second thing I would say is create a mind movie. Take some time to do your homework and create that mind movie that represents what it is that you're trying to create in your life. Now, it should be in the present tense. Whatever it is you're trying to create, no matter if it's affirmation, scripting, visualization, it should always be in the present tense. Meaning, it can't be something that you're setting off in the future or the distant future. Because if it's in the future, you are manifesting something in the future. And that's where it will stay, in the future. So any of your visualizations have to be what it is you want right now. So now listen, we don't want to see the process. Because if you're saying how things are going to work out, you're not leaving room for the God that dwells inside of you to work it out. You are actually saying, this is how I want it to go. And you don't have the ability to see everything from a global view. You have to allow God to work it out inside of you how that is going to manifest in your life. So the only thing you want to focus on right now is what it is you want. So now let's say you want that house. Your visualization would be not you basically looking for the house. Your visualization would actually be you signing the papers and getting the keys, or you walking in that house, or you having a barbecue in that house. Now, what is the actual process of visualizing? The first thing I would like to say, there's a couple of different ways to visualize. You can try these things out for a little bit and see what works best for you. Now, I tend to do a little bit of everything, okay? So you have some people saying, see yourself in your mind movie. Make a mind movie. Sit there as if you're sitting at a movie theater watching your life play out. Other people say, you have to actually be in the movie. You have to actually embody that thing that you are viewing. So it's actually like you are actually that person. The reason that works very well because if you are that person, you're able to use all your senses and actually carry that out, that role out as if it is you and as if it is happening at this moment. So both techniques are good. The first technique of actually seeing yourself, I like that too because it allows you to see what you look like. You're able to see yourself as a third person looking in, okay? So what I tell you to do is use a little combination of both. See yourself first as a mind movie. Now you can play this mind movie out all the way and then repeat it but this time being in the movie, and play that out all the way. Or you can actually play the movie out as if you're watching it, and then actually get up, walk towards it, and jump in. You understand what I'm saying? I want you to get up from your mind movie seat and actually walk into that character and be that character. So how would it play out? You are now at your closing, signing the deed for your new house. I want you to sit down and actually feel yourself sitting in the chair. I want you to actually feel yourself being passed the pen to start signing all the documents. I want you to feel your hands holding the paperwork as you sign the documents. Okay? I want you to shake the hands of the people at the meeting. And I want you to actually feel the keys in your hand as it's being given to you for your new house. If you want to do a different mind movie, you can actually visualize yourself pulling up in front of your new house with the keys in your hand, opening up that front door and walking in, seeing an empty house that now belongs to you. If you're experiencing in your mind movie picking up things, you need to feel the things. If you just signed a deed and you have the keys in your hand, you should feel that enthusiasm as you walk into your new home. You should feel the excitement. You should be picking up the phone, calling your family members, explaining to them how you just closed on your house. How would you feel if this was so? This is what I'm talking about when we say visualization. You need to feel whatever you would feel if this was true. You need to see everyone sitting in their prospective places if this was true. You need to hear the people speaking to you. You need to feel your heartbeat as you get nervous signing off on all the papers. This is the secret to visualization. The feelings, the excitement, the emotions that you encounter as you visualize this experience. Again, for me, I like to see myself first in my mind movie. What do I look like? Am I confident? Am I beautiful? Am I tall? Am I slim? Do I look like Robin Givens on Boomerang? What is it that I look like in my mind movie? And then take the time to step into it and become that person. Now, not only have I seen that person, I am that person. And wow, do I feel confident? Do I feel motivated? Do I feel excited that I just closed on my house? That I just bought my first car? That I have another Range Rover? Or whatever else you're talking about. Maybe I'm visualizing myself get married. And at that moment, I'm feeling the kiss on my lips of my new husband. These are the things you need to do to visualize correctly. Now, let's take it a little further for visualization. Whatever it is that you are visualizing, don't just visualize. Put an affirmation in there to help promote your visualization, to actually give you more confidence and to get rid of any doubt or fear, whatever it is that may be inside of you. Like, thank you, God, I can't believe I did this, but I did. We did this, God, we did it. Oh my God, this is my new house. I now have my new house. I am now living in my new house. These are not just statements. They're affirmations that go along with whatever it is you're trying to manifest. And it gives that much power to your visualizations. Now, another thing you can do with visualizations, you can create your vision board. Now, we already spoke about vision boards so many times. If you haven't seen my videos on vision boards, please go to the playlist and look at my vision board videos. You can do a vision board. And every day you're in your house, you're going to pass by that vision board and you're going to see it. You can place pictures of what it is that you're desiring in your house. You can be creative. Whatever it is you're trying to manifest, get a picture of it. Then take a picture of yourself. Cut yourself out of your picture and place your picture on top of the picture of what you're desiring. So it's like having a picture of you where you want to be and what you want to be doing. You are now seeing yourself the way you want to be. You can actually make a photo book and put pictures in the photo book of everything that you're trying to manifest. And every morning and every night, look at it. Okay? So now, these are little things that you can actually do to actually visualize and bring about whatever it is you're trying to manifest. When I talk about vision boards, you having a picture on your refrigerator or in your bathroom is still a vision. You are still looking at a picture, but these pictures are now posted all over your house. Now, when is the best time to do visualization? I've told you guys this before. It's best to do visualization when your mind is quiet, when it's not a lot of things going on. You know, when we get up and we go to work, this thing is going on, this thing is going on, the world is in turmoil, everybody's running around. Listen, that really is not the best time to do your visualization because you're so full of whatever emotions for the day that's going on. I tell you, before the day starts, do your visualization. Make it a routine. Or you can take a shower first, get out the shower, get dressed, and then do some me time and enjoy your peace while you do your visualization. Or sometimes you could do your visualization before you get out of bed. But in the first part of your morning, you need to do your visualization of what it is you desire. And it's also very powerful for you to do your visualization of how you want your day to go. The other time to do visualization, which is powerful, to me it's even more powerful than doing it in the morning, is right before you go to sleep. Listen, everything we get, everything that happens in our lives is controlled by your subconscious mind. Things that the subconscious mind does, we don't even think about. Like I'm speaking to you right now. I'm speaking, but I'm not thinking about speaking because my subconscious mind is taking control and it already knows what to say and how to say it. At night, when your conscious mind is more calm and is not having all these thoughts running through it, is the best time to do visualization because at that time, the subconscious mind never sleeps and you are actually giving it something to do while you are actually sleeping. Your subconscious mind can take whatever it is, the last thoughts, the last visions you gave it, and work on it throughout the night to figure out how's it going to bring to you what it is you're trying to create. And don't forget to come up with an affirmation, something very simple like, thank you, God, I did it. Thank you, God, thank you. Whatever it is to give a little more boost or more energy to whatever it is you're visualizing. Now, we just spoke about visualizing in the morning and at night. When you visualize, I already told you, come up with your mind movie before you start doing your visualization. The thing is that once you sit down and you start doing your visualization, don't try to come up with something at that time. Already have it in mind what you're going to visualize. Let it be your routine. I'm going to sit here and I'm going to visualize me getting that house. What I want you to do also is to remember, whatever you do, those emotions must be in it. This is visualization. Whatever it is to make the scene as real as possible is how you're going to bring it into your life. Once you start doing these steps, you'll start seeing things in your physical reality that is kind of similar to what you're visualizing. Have you ever wanted a blue car and all of a sudden you start seeing blue cars all over the place? Or you wanted a townhouse and all of a sudden you start hearing everybody else talking about a townhouse? This is because you are more in tuned to whatever it is you're visualizing. And now your subconscious mind is trying to find situations similar to what it is you're trying to manifest to bring it into your life. That's just the way it goes. Nothing happens by accident, okay? And so you have to understand that. So now listen, if you like this video, please like it, please subscribe. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and tap that bell to receive notification of my up and coming videos. Again, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics. You can follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can receive one-on-one coaching if you go to the website. And if you want to buy crystals or metaphysical items, go to store.myworldofmetaphysics.com. Again, This is Yvette. We just spoke about how to visualize correctly and succeed. Namaste.